Today's video is on the top 3 best tennis rackets for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Head Instinct Team Tennis Racket. The Head Instinct Team L Racket is perfect for club players, especially those just starting in tennis. Let's explain why this racket might be a great fit for you. First off, the head size is 107 square inches. What does that mean for you? Well, an oversized head means there's a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit the ball cleanly. This is helpful for beginners who might not always hit the center of the racket. Next, the racket is about 27 inches long. This is pretty standard for adult rackets, giving you a good mix of power and control. When the racket is strung, it weighs about 10 ounces. This is considered lightweight, which makes it easier to swing and maneuver, especially if you're still developing your strength and technique. The balance point is about 14 inches, with a slight, head-heavy balance. This means the weight distribution favors the racket's head, helping you generate more power in your shots without extra effort. The string pattern of 16 mains and 19 crosses provides a good balance of control and spin. This pattern is common and versatile, allowing you to adapt to different playing styles as you improve. One of the standout features of the Instinct Team L racket is its playability. It's known for being easy to play with, offering effortless power and comfort. These qualities are part of what makes the Instinct series so popular among players. Whether you're hitting ground strokes or volleys, you'll find this racket helps you play more effectively. The racket also has a new, appealing design, making it look as good as it performs. But there's more than just aesthetics. It includes Graphene 360 Plus technology. This innovative material enhances the racket's flexibility and provides a clean, solid feel on impact. This means your hits will feel more controlled and less jarring, which can be especially beneficial if you're still working on perfecting your technique. Volley your way to greatness and smash that subscribe button, just like you would when you're trying to win a match point. Number 2, best overall Wilson Clash Pro tennis racket. The Wilson Clash 100 Pro V2 is a tennis racket that comes unstrung, which means you'll need to add your strings. It's designed with some cool features to help with your game. First off, it has a unique horizontal bending design. This makes the racket super flexible, giving you better control when you're swinging horizontally. Plus, it's got torsional bending with special carbon mapping. This helps keep the frame steady, even when you hit the ball off-center. One of the best things about this racket is its all-around playability. It has a 16 by 20 string pattern, which is slightly bigger than some other rackets. This pattern gives you a nice mix of control, spin, and power. It also has a super head light balance, meaning it's lighter at the head, so you can swing it more easily and control it better. The V2 version has some updates too. The tip of the hoop has been revised to give you a more consistent feel and a larger sweet spot. The racket features innovative technologies that combine flexibility and stability, making it feel great during play. In terms of design, the racket has a striking red and black finish that stands out on the court. Plus, it's made with eco-friendly materials like Agiplast, which are plant-based, reducing its environmental impact. This racket is perfect for beginners looking for a blend of control, power, and a cool design. Number 1, our pick, Babolat Pure Drive Tennis Racket. Looking for power and forgiveness on the court? The Babolat Pure Drive Tennis Racket has got you covered. With its larger head size, this racket is perfect, whether you're just starting or have been playing for a while. It's known for delivering impressive power, helping you make those game-changing shots, even if you don't hit the ball perfectly. And don't worry about control. The Pure Drive gives you a great feel so you can handle your strokes with confidence. When it comes to technology, the Pure Drive doesn't disappoint. It features the HTR system, which makes the racket extra stiff for powerful shots. The SWX Pure Feel technology absorbs vibrations and gives you a fantastic feel and sound with each hit. Plus, the elliptic frame adds even more power and durability. It has a 107 square inch head, measures 27.2 inches in length, and weighs 10.6 ounces when strung. It's balanced 5 points headlight with a swing weight of 285 and a 16 by 19 stringing pattern. The stiffness is rated at 72 RA, and the frame is made of graphite. This racket comes with your choice of one string type, strung at mid-tension. Please note that Babolat logo stenciling isn't included with custom stringing, but you can contact the seller to add that service if you like. For strings, you have options to match your style. Thin Gut is great for comfort, while Touch VS offers a lively feel and power. RPM Rough is perfect for a spin. Zalt balances comfort, control, and responsiveness. RPM Blast provides control and spin. RPM Power offers exceptional power, and Addiction combines power with comfort. Choose the one that suits your game best. Please check out our best tennis strings video for more options. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below, or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.